As a slim laptop, the Acer Aspire 3 is likely to have a sleek and relatively thin design, making it portable and easy to carry around. It probably features a standard 15.6-inch display with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels. This display size is common for budget laptops and provides ample screen real estate for everyday tasks. It might be equipped with an Intel Pentium or Intel Core i3 processor, offering decent performance for everyday computing tasks such as web browsing, word processing, and multimedia consumption. Expect around 4 GB to 8 GB of RAM and a 128 GB to 256 GB SSD solid-state drive for storage. While not exceptional, this configuration should be sufficient for light multitasking and storing essential files. Integrated Intel UHD graphics should handle basic graphics tasks and multimedia playback, but might struggle with demanding games or heavy video editing. It likely runs Windows 10 Home, providing a familiar and user-friendly computing experience. Standard connectivity options such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB ports, likely a mix of USB-A and maybe a USB-C, HDMI output, and a headphone jack are expected. The battery life may vary depending on usage, but you can expect around 6 to 8 hours of usage on a single charge under typical conditions.